The 2025 Guide: How to Download YouTube Videos Safely and Legally. The desire to download YouTube videos for offline viewing is a common one. Whether you're saving a tutorial for a trip, a lecture for school, or a music video to watch without an internet connection, you might be looking for a way to save content from the platform. However, it's crucial to understand the legal and safety implications before you start. This guide will walk you through the safest, officially sanctioned method and also discuss the popular third-party tools, along with the risks associated with them. 1. The official and safest method: YouTube Premium. The only legitimate way to download videos directly from YouTube is through a YouTube Premium subscription. This service is designed specifically for offline viewing and is completely legal and safe. How it works: with a premium subscription, you can download videos directly within the YouTube app on your smartphone, tablet, or the YouTube web app. The downloaded content is stored within the app and is accessible for a limited time, typically 30 days, before you need to connect to the internet to renew the license. The benefits: this method is free from malware, respects creator copyrights, and supports the creators you watch by contributing to their YouTube Premium revenue share. 2. The third-party methods, used with extreme caution. Beyond the official method, numerous third-party tools and websites claim to offer a free way to download YouTube videos. While these methods exist, they come with significant risks you should be aware of. Online downloaders. These are websites where you can paste a video's URL and get a download link. The risk: these sites are often riddled with intrusive pop-up ads and could expose you to malware or viruses. They may also violate YouTube's terms of service and copyright law. Desktop software. Dedicated software programs are available for download that can save YouTube videos to your computer. The risk: downloading software from an untrusted source can be a major security risk. These programs may contain malicious code that compromises your computer and personal data. Browser extensions. These extensions add a download button directly to YouTube pages. The risk: browser extensions can be a security loophole. They can track your browse activity, inject ads, or contain malware. Legal and ethical considerations you must know. Regardless of the method you choose, it's essential to understand the legal and ethical landscape of downloading content. YouTube's terms of service. YouTube's official terms explicitly state that you are not allowed to access, reproduce, download, distribute, transmit, broadcast, display, sell, license, alter, modify or otherwise use any part of the service or content except a. as expressly authorized by the service, or b. with prior written permission from YouTube and, if applicable, the respective rights holders. Downloading videos through third-party tools is a violation of these terms. Copyright law. Most videos on YouTube are protected by copyright. Downloading and saving a video without the permission of the copyright holder is considered copyright infringement and is illegal. Fair use. A legal doctrine that allows limited use of copyrighted material for purposes like commentary, criticism, or parody, is a complex area and does not automatically justify downloading content. In conclusion, the only safe and legal way to download YouTube videos for personal, offline viewing is by using YouTube Premium. While third-party downloaders exist, they pose a significant risk to your online security and could put you in violation of YouTube's terms and copyright law. For peace of mind and to support your favorite creators, a premium subscription is the recommended path.